Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to unbox Themisto TH-M88D digital clamp meter. Let's unbox. So, in the box we get in the pouch and user manual for this clamp meter. Warranty card, then catalog. That's it. Open this up. Now let's open this pouch. In this pouch we get the clamp meter and test probes for check the voltage and resistance, etc. This one for check the temperature. So here we have a clamp meter. In this clamp meter we can measure the NCV, that means no contact voltage, then 60 MCAC or DC. Up to 600 amps we can check the current, then voltage AC or DC up to 1000 volts. Yellow Z means low impedance. Here we have a yellow Z option, so low impedance. Then one more is for check the capacitor, diode, resistance, continuity test. And one more thing is temperature, to check the temperature. Then we have a buttons here. BL means backlit, so if you press this one the illumination will be glow. Then FL means flashlight, to press and hold you will get the flashlight. And 0 button for hertz and 0, so if you press this one while you have to connect to voltmeter, press hertz means it will show frequency to make 0. Then hold button to hold the readings, and function button to change the, see here, AC, DC, etc. Then we have a clamp here, so if you want to check the current now you have to insert the wire here only. Just to open the clamp between the wire, then close it. You have to keep it in current mode only. Then select whether it is DC or AC. If it is DC, you have to press function button and check it. Whether it is AC, you have to keep it in AC. Thank you. To insert the battery, you have to remove this screw and remove this panel. Then you can insert the battery, then close it by using this screw.